सो हेलो गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल वंश सवाल। आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास 10th चैप्टर ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। गाइस मैं आपको गारंटी दे सकता हूँ कि अगर क्लास 10th बोर्ड्स में ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के क्वेश्चन आएंगे तो एमसीक्यू फॉर्म में ये वाले क्वेश्चन ज़रूर पूछे जाने वाले हैं। और फर्स्ट सो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो के लिए हमने पिछले साल के सैम्पल पेपर्स और पीवाईक्यूज में से ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के सबसे बेस्ट और इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस चूज़ किए हैं। So friends, please like the video and subscribe to my channel Vanshaswal for more educational and motivational content. Let's get started. Our first question is whole sine 30 degree plus cos 60 degree minus whole sine 60 degree plus cos 30 degree is equal to. Your right option is C, 1 minus root 3. Next question, if x tan 45 degree into sine 30 degree is equal to cos 30 degree tan 30 degree, then x is equal to. Third question, in triangle ABC, right angled at AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter, the value of tan C is. Answer is B, 24 divided by 7 or 24 by 7. Question number 4, the value of tan 60 degree divided by cot 30 degree is equal to. Answer is option B, 1. Question number 5, the value of tan 60 degree divided by cot 30 degree is equal to. Answer is option B, 1. Question number 6, sin 90 degree minus A and cos A are. Answer is same. Question number 7, if cos x is equal to 2 by 3, then tan x is equal to. Eighth question, if cos x is equal to 2 by 3, then tan x is equal to. Ninth question, the value of sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree is. Tenth question, 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree is equal to. Eleventh question, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true when a is equal to. Answer is option C, 0 degrees. Question number 12, if sin a minus cos a is equal to 0, then the value of sin 4a plus cos 4a is. Question number 13, 1 minus cos square a is equal to. Answer is option A, sine square A. Question number 14. Sine 90 minus A and cos A are. Option B, same. 15th question. If cos x is equal to A divided by B, then sin x is equal to. Answer is option C, whole root B square minus A square divided by B. Question number 16th. 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree is equal to. Answer is option A, sin 60 degree. Question number 17th. Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A is true when. Answer is option C, 0 degrees. Question number 18th. If cos alpha plus beta is equal to 0, then sin alpha minus beta can be reduced to. Correct answer is cos 2 beta. Question number 19th. The value of tan 1 degree into tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree, all the way up to tan 89 degree is. Answer is option B, 1. Last but not the least, what is the minimum value of cos theta? The value of theta is 0 or greater than 0 or 90 degree or lesser than 90 degree. What is the value of cos theta? Answer is option B, 0. Alright friends, that's all for the video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more educational and motivational content. और फ्रेंड्स आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना कि आपके 20 में से कितने क्वेश्चन सही हुए हैं. बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर बोर्ड एग्जाम्स.